Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Redmi Note 7 Pro heating while charging your battery. Alright, so you should remember that when you are charging your device, you shouldn't be using it during that, because simply it might get heated up. So when you are charging your device, you should keep it in one place, and you shouldn't use it during the charging. Also, you should use the original charger and the cable. They are attached into the box when you are buying your phone. Also, when you have a case on your device, you should remove it for better heat dissipation. Also, you should charge in a cool and ventilated area, and don't, for example, play games during the charging, because during that the phone likes to heat up. Also, we can open up the settings and the battery, and in here we can take a look for the apps that drain a battery in the most, so you should avoid using them when you are loading your device, or you should use the battery saving mode at least. In here sometimes you can see that you have things to optimize to save your battery. You can click on that, and in here you have suggestions what to do to improve your battery life. Simply select them and click on optimize. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.